the last 10. I ran away with my life.
Good morning, everyone. So today is Friday, which is the 14th of March, and it is 7:30 in the morning. Andito ako sa training sa ospital. Wala pa naman sa loob, sa car pa. Nag-aantay pa ng time kasi maaga ako para makapark ako ng maayos. Ang hirap mag-park eh pag lagpas na yung time. So anyway, I'm here for a training today. I tried to record this morning. I tried to film this morning pero hindi kinaya kasi hindi pala nagre-record. Hindi pala nagre-record. Ay, nako, kaloka. Anyway, I'm here. And kakain muna ako ng breakfast. Meron akong baon. Hala, may baon. Pinabaunan ako ni Mami. Hindi, kasi nagsabi siya, nagluto daw siya ng spam kay Alba and egg. Okay, doon na daw mag-breakfast si Alba. Kasi si Alba nasa kanya. Hinatid ko si Alba kay Mami kasi nga may training ako. May work si David. So, wala mag-aalaga. So, anyway, sabi ko sa kanya, kung may spam pa, lagyan niya ako sa baonan. Tsaka konting kanin. Dito na ako mag-breakfast. Kasi kagabi, gutom na ako kagabi. Ang kain lang yata namin, ang kain ko lang kagabi, yung binagoongan nung before lunch. And then, ano pa ba? Nag-strawberries ako. Tapos, nag-snacks ng konti. Yung mga peanuts, ganun. And then, ang next na kain ko, yung sausage roll na ganyang kalaki, na natira ni Alba. Tapos, nag-coffee kami ni Emil, diba? So, yun lang yung kain ko. And then, kagabi, before ako matulog, mga 11, 12, nagugutom ako. Pero, syempre, gabi na late na tinamad na ako, guys. Nakakainis, alam mo, kasi wala yung tripod, wala yung base nitong ano. Hindi ko malaman kung saan ko niiwan. Siguro naman, nakakita sa akin yung kayang kanin. Hello! Tapos na yung training ko, guys. So, 1 hour lang yung training. 40 na ng umaga. So, 1 hour lang siya. Tapos na. Let's pick up Alba. Grabe hingal ko. Pick upin na natin si Alba kay Mami kasi may swimming lesson siya. So, 11:30 ang swimming lesson. So, let's go!
Hi guys!
Get shower. Where are you birthing? You gonna eat downstairs or upstairs?
Down upstairs.
Right. Take the clothes off.
Good morning, guys.
Saying good morning to the guys. But remember, we wipe the boogies if we say good morning.
Good
Hello! Nakaligo na ang person nyo. Nakapag-blower na ng hair. Hugas lang akong plato, guys. Pupunta si Emil. At mag-barbecue kasi kami tomorrow. So, mag-prepare siya mag-marinate siya ng barbecue dito sa bahay. Kasi, para dito na lang. Kasi dito kami mag-barbecue para, hindi na malipat-lipat. Ayan, naghuhugas lang ako.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer.
Tapos na yung hugasin ko, guys. Wala nang hugasan. Wait lang. Dumaan si Mami. Nagdala siya ng Nando's. Chicken Nando's. Oopsies. Wait. Yummy! Yummy, yummy chicken. Nagdala siya. Yan. Dala ni Mami yun. Tsaka ni Kuya Sweetie. Kasi nagsundo si Mami kay Kuya Sweetie. Ayan, lagay natin to sa gilid kasi this is for dinner later or maybe midnight snack or maybe tomorrow. Hindi natin alam.
Mommy, wow, why is that so bad?
Nakikita ko lahat naman ng tao. Hi! Nakikita ko naman lahat naman ng tao, may mga sipol.
Hiya!
Kasi nagbago-bago weather.
Nakakatuwa. Tingnan mo, iba yung presyo niya. Mas mura.
Anong presyo?
Ang nakalagay dito,
Ang laki niyan. Magkano?
10.95. Nung binayaran ko,
10.95.
hindi, minus 3.95 eh.
So, 7...
7 something lang.
Ay,
Ang
bongga.
galing.
Ang laki pa. Ang dami magagawa niyan.
Ang dami niya.
No?
Nakasailat po, ang galing.
Naka-sale?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi siya nakalagay na naka-sale.
Hindi,
Oh.
hindi kasi siya ma-scan. Tinulungan ako ng taga-Tesco. Tinype yung number. Kasi na lumabas.
Bet na bet ko talaga to. Blooming ko dito. Daming blooming.
Hindi na harder.
Hindi ka haggard. Baka mamaya pala pwede si Raisa bukas.
Pero pwede tayo mamaya. Ano to? Walang parang Sprite na wala sa isip ko.
Ha?
To Sprite.
Ano gagawin? Good morning, everyone. Kakauwi lang namin from Alba's Taekwondo. And stuck na naman kami sa traffic. Grabe, 15 minutes na stuck sa traffic. Ang hirap makalabas dun sa parking nila. So, I need to think about alternative route next time. Maybe magpa-park sa malapit na, may malapit na grocery kasi doon. Magpa-park na lang and then maglalakad if early kami. Kasi may time kami maglakad. But if running late, hindi kami pwedeng ganun. Doon talaga sa malapit na parking, which is sa parking nila. Anyway, home na. And I'm going to eat. I've not had breakfast yet. So it's already 20 past 10 in the morning. So mag-breakfast kami. Or brunch. Again, brunch na naman. Hindi ko alam. May Nando's pa kami. Hindi ko pa nakain yung Nando's na dala ni Mami kahapon. So, yun ang kakainin ko. Brunch natin yan. Si Alba, I'm not sure. Hindi pa siguro to kakain. Maaga pa yung nag-breakfast to. So anyway, ayun lang. And then, Raisa and Emil will be here later. After ng work ni Emil. So, they'll be here later. Magba-barbecue kami. Kami na talaga magba-barbecue. Pero indoor barbecue lang siya, guys. I was late.
Yeah.
Did you take a nap? Nakatulog siya sa likod, guys. Kiss mo si Mama. You in a better mood?
Huh?
Are you in a better mood?
Not a bed.
A better mood.
What?
Are you not grumpy anymore?
It's
You're so pistachio. So,
statue.
pistachio?
Statue.
Sarap nito, guys. Para siyang ano ba,
20 times.
kasi may ano pa siya, may shell pa siya. So, pagkakain ka, magbabalat ka pa. Parang naaalala ko dito, butong pakwan. Kasi di ba nagbabalat-balat? Pag butong pakwan, nagbabalat ka.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the
Nakakain na ang first son. Ano daw? Nakakain na ako. Kami pala ni Alba. Kain kami ng nilang Nando's. Leftover Nando's from yesterday. And then I'm having coffee. Again, second coffee of the day. I feel like I'm so tired. Anong oras na ba?
Mama, that's right.
It's 11:45 na ng tanghali. So, we had early lunch. Literally, kakatapos lang namin kumain. So,
Mama's. That's
a
right,
little bit. Not too early naman. So, ayun. Just having coffee kasi feeling ko I need a nap. I want you guys to see kung ano talaga yung normal life ng tao. Hindi yung laging naka-filter or I only show to you guys or other people only show to us kung ano lang yung maganda. They don't show the rough, yung mga ugly things, diba? So ako, I want you to see na makalat yung bahay namin kasi that's the normal. Hindi madami yung bahay ko, pero makalat dahil may bata. And that's normal because may anak ako, may bata sa bahay. And I can't keep cleaning every 5 seconds after niya magkalat. That's not life, diba?
Do you wanna play Margaret?
Talaga guys, nakapag-edit ako ng video. And then, nakagawa din ng thumbnail. So, it's gonna be uploaded tomorrow, that vlog. And then, we're gonna go take a nap. Before Emil and Raisa comes over for barbecue.